Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 4th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla, after having a great day yesterday, is pulling back a little bit. So we are down $50 and 19 cents. So that's 4.18%. So we closed at 1149.59. Post-market, we seem to be down a further 2 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. Yesterday, we broke this resistance right here, and we broke it like crazy. Doing a breakout gap is a gap at the beginning of a large movement. This is what happened. And those types of gaps don't need to get filled. They might be, but they don't need to be. Yesterday, we had a nice green candle. Today, we have a red candle. Yesterday, we touched 1200. So the body of the candle touched 1200. And we went a little bit higher. We went at 1201.07. So today we went at 1208, which is exceptionally close to our double resistance at 1210.35. I cannot make this up. We came up to 1208. So this is confirming our 1210.35 resistance. There's also this diagonal resistance here that's part of this channel here that is also into play, but we have not touched it this time. So we have a green candle, same length of wick at the top and at the bottom, maybe a little bit more buying pressure at the bottom. In terms of volume, almost the same volume as yesterday. It seemed like the people that got in got out. I, for one, did not. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so this is the first candle of the day right here. A little bit of a red candle, longer wick at the top. This is when we went up to almost 1210, came back down. And then the second hour, then this is when we went further down. So this went down to 1122.03. This is a support now, but this is a trend line that we had been looking at also. So this is again confirming our trend line. And this is also confirming our other support at 1131. So we had both of them. So the stock is behaving as if it's keeping track of our support and resistance line. It's hitting them like crazy. I cannot be happier. Came back down here at that point. Look at Stochastic. So let's always look at Stochastic when the stock is pulling back to see if it's a real pullback, like a change in direction, or just a pullback, but we are going back up. On this second hour here, the Stochastic was at 51.98. Okay, so this was under 60. But then right after, on the third hour, we came back over 60. This is not a change of direction yet. Let me just play with this a little bit, trying to see if this would make sense. And I want to do this too. So yeah, I could do it like this. Even though it would be a little bit more precise. Let me just change the color on this. So now we are into the symmetrical triangle. So we are making higher lows and lower highs. So at some point, the stock is going to have to decide. So check if we are going to break this support or break this resistance. If we break this support here on the 1 hour chart, check for Stochastic. Is Stochastic dipping under 60? If it is, then maybe we are coming back down a little bit lower. Going back down a little bit lower could mean that we would be touching this support right here. So maybe around 1086 or so. So it's not impossible that we go back to that level. I hope we won't go back to that level because we seem to be holding 1122.03. So far, we are just doing some consolidation and we don't really want the stock to go back to this diagonal support. Let's just stay tuned and see what's happening for the rest of the week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link if you like what I do. You can become a YouTube member. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.